morning, everyone. It's time for calendar, so let's get started. Let's do eyes on teacher, eyes on teacher. Listening ears, listening ears. You should have calm hands, you should have calm hands, and a calm body, and a calm body. Nice job. Let's take a deep breath in, blow it out. Deep breath in, blow it out. Okay, so we're going to start today. Let's look at some words. I have some words here, like we do in class sometimes. I'm going to pick a few, and I'm going to show you. All right, I'm going to stop. What word do I have? What is this, do you think? It grows in the ground. It's called grass. That's the word grass. Let's see if I have another word. Oops. Stop. Oh. What kind of animal is that? That is a worm. What's that? A worm. These are some spring vocabulary words. Ready, set, stop. These you can use in the garden. These are called gloves. Gloves. Good work. Ready? Stop. You guys know this word. This is a picture of the sun, right? And how we spell sun is S-U-N. Sun. Sun. That's sounding out the word. Nice. Let's do another. Stop. What's this a picture of? That is a flower, right? Let's look at that word. F-L-O-W-E-R. That says flower. Good. Let's do one more. Stop. All right, this one, you can't, this is tricky to look at. Miss Amanda planted seeds last week, right? Seeds. I think I have a seed packet over here. Here's another seed packet. So those look like the seed packet. Seeds. Good work. All right. So those were some of the words that are some spring words. Sun, flower, worm. You could find a worm if you're digging in the dirt. Grass, gloves, and seeds. Great job. I wanted to go over those with you. All right, let's start the calendar. Should we? Yes. All right, so first with our calendar, we do the days of the week. Let's get ready to do the days of the week. There it is. Okay. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday was Monday. So if we think Sunday, Monday, today is Tuesday, right? It's Tuesday. Can you tell me the day of the week? Great. Awesome job. Let's do the months of the year. There are 12 months in the year. Ready? January, February, March, and May, June, July, and September, October, November. Then we turn around. You guys know the month is up here. May. What's the month? May. Good. And then if I say, what's the month? You can tell me. Good. Nice job. All right, days of the week are all done. The months are all done. Now let's do our counting. Let's start with number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What comes next? 19. Good work. 19 looks like this. It's a 1 and then a 9. 19. What does 19 look like? I just showed you a 1 and a 9, right? Looks like this. Let's see if I can do it. My board is away from me, but that's okay. I can make a 1 with a marker, and I can make a 9. That's mine, 19. Could you see that? There it is. That's how you make a 19. Great work. All right, let's go do the weather. All right, I found the weather. Weather watcher, what do you see? What do you see? Tell us what the weather's like. Tell us what the weather's like, won't you please? Won't you please? Nice work. I'm looking outside. Yesterday I remember it was cloudy. Today I see lots of, there's just the sun in the sky. I don't see a lot of clouds. I just see the sun. Where's the sun down here? Right, there it is. The weather today is sunny. All right, so let's do our weather graph. I added a few days to sunny because I didn't want to do it all over again, so I just added some days. Wow, so how many sunny days have we had? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to color one more, equals 8. 8 sunny days. What color did I use for sunny? Yellow, right? Because the sun is yellow. It reminds me of yellow. Color in a sunny day. Color in a sunny day. Oops. All right. Now it looks like this. Whoa. We have the most sunny days in May so far. Great. So the weather is all done. It's sunny. The temperature today. The temperature today is, oh wow, it's 54 degrees. 54 degrees. Looks like this, 5, 4, then the degrees sign. 54 degrees. Okay, so 54 degrees means it feels not cold, not hot. It's pretty, that's warm. Yeah, I would almost say it's cool, but anything greater than 50, I think, is warm. All right, good. Let's do the seasons. 4 seasons in a year. I can name all 4. Do you wanna hear? Let's get ready and say them all. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Great. You can tell me, what's the season? We've been doing this a while. spring, right? You can touch it on your screen if you want. Spring. Wow, great job. You did a lot of nice work today. Let's say the whole date, okay? We're going to say the whole date. Help me say it. Today is Tuesday. What's the month? May. What's the number? 19th, 2020. The weather today is sunny. The temperature today feels warm. The season is spring. Great job, friends. I'll see you later. I'm going to read you a book about a picnic later. We're going to talk about picnics this week. See you later. Bye.